So what I'm doing here is I'm showing how to finish off your macrame work with a wire and a cone. So what I'm going to do, I've got my piece here, and I'm going to take my pre-cut piece of wire between, 20, depending on what you're working with, but 24, 22 gauge is a good gauge to work with. You don't want to get it too thick because you want to have it be able to fit up in the cone. But what I'm doing is weaving it into the last knot of the macrame work, and I put it through, and I'm gonna take it and wrap it around, and while I'm holding the other end. And I want to make sure that I'm going to put this up here because that's going to be the end that goes up through the cone. But I want to make sure that this wire is up towards the end but holding on to the macrame work. And giving it a good tug. So you can see that how I have that, and make good and tight. And I'm going to clip off this little, well, let's give it one little more wrap. Clip it off there. I'm going to apply some glue. E6000. And I'm going to take it and clip or cut it off here. And clip that off and take one of the cones. And so you would pre-measure your cones before you did this. And then you just tug it till you make sure you've got your wire not exposed. There. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and make a loop. And clip that off. And there you have it.